Hello, Can Do Guy here again. We have a new tool to show you. Purchased it off of eBay. Let's take a look. Okay, we have this as the first tool. We got two pieces. What these are, they're wrench extenders. This one works off of a 1/2-inch drive or a 1/2-inch wrench. Seems to be made well with good steel. Let's look at the other one. This is the bar. The wrench goes on this end, and a 1/2-inch drive goes through this hole on this end. Again, it feels like it's good and heavy. The wrench extender and wrench extender tool bar set is a 1/2-inch drive. It's a 21 millimeter hex drive extension wrench with a 13.5 and a 1/2-inch insert steel construction. And of course, it's made in China. Also purchased it from a Chinese seller that sells in the United States on eBay. So I don't have a tool in here at the house to put it in the wrench to show how it actually works. But you can use a 1/2-inch drive breaker bar in this hole to extend it out another 12 inches or so. Like I said, this thing is 13.5 inches long, this bar. And it has the 1/2-inch insert, which I also said before. And this wrench fits in this piece too. So that's it for today. Give me a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.